Welcome to 15 Birches Road in picturesque Hubbardston, Massachusetts. Located in Worcester County, Hubbardston is just 56 miles northwest of Boston and 19 miles northwest of Worcester. With a population of approximately 5,000 residents, the town offers an abundance of outdoor recreational activities, as well as offering residents a rural feel, yet still close to the amenities of Boston and Worcester. Hubbardston is the quintessential country town where people value the pristine, quiet surroundings. The community is well run by dedicated local officials, and the school system provides an excellent education for the children. The Hubbardston Center School is located in downtown, and the Quabbin Regional School is nearby. The town has wonderful activities for people from all walks of life, including the Berry Falls Dam with frisbee golf, hiking, and an amazing waterfall, the Hubbardston rec fields with ball fields, playgrounds, and a skateboard park, Asnacomet Pond complete with a boat launch, beaches, and fishing, Mare Meadow Reservoir for amazing fishing, and the Country Hen, which has great organic eggs. Come take a ride through this bucolic country town and discover a beautiful community steeped in local history. This home was built in 1997 and is nestled on over 2 private acres on a very quiet road. There's plenty of room for gardening, and 2 apple trees are on the property. A wood stove on the first level keeps everything toasty and warm during the winter months and comes complete with a new chimney. Centrally located, it's just 0.2 miles to Hubbardston State Park, 4 miles to Route 2, 4.5 miles to shopping, 14 miles to the Wachusett Mountain Ski Area, and just 7 miles from Mount Wachusett Community College.